Hi guys! Today we're going to be talking about in, on, and at for location. We use in to talk about the location inside a space, and this could be for people or for objects and their location inside the space. For example, I'm in a room. The chocolate is in the box. It's inside the box. I'm inside a room. We use on to talk about the location on a surface. For example, I'm on a chair. My body's on the surface of a chair. The chocolate is on the box. It's on the surface of the box. The picture is hanging on the wall. All right? And at is used for the most specific location. For example, I'm at Starbucks. I bought this box at Plaza Vea. I'm at the beach. I'm at the park. I'm at the top of the staircase. I'm at the end of the line. So also fixed position, specific location in that place. So I'm at the end, I'm at the front, I'm at the back of the line. All right? Check out in, at, and on with time in the next video.